I don't usually get to come here in the office. Horace is very particular in who comes in. He's usually sat at his desk, writing away in a book. My pa said he's got the neatest handwriting he's ever seen. The pictures in this office are of old man Newman's two sons, Horace and George. Did you know that Horace started when he was 14? That's just a little bit younger than I am now. George seems to get along with everyone, especially the customers. We always have nice chats in the warehouse. He's normally a very jolly chap. He's not great with the nitty-gritty part of the business though, but that's okay, because Horace, the one in the large picture, is. My ma said he's very kind. I've heard he lends some of the workers money, but I've never heard them pay him back. He's a real whiz with the books. He seems to be happy to spend hours and hours writing out orders in his perfect handwriting, adding up every last shilling and pence. A lot of the workers have worked here for years. I wonder why. Well, they do throw a good Christmas party here. Everyone comes in and brings their family and have a really good time. All the children love it. They get to come here in the office and play with all the supplies. We don't usually get to do that. There's always a really nice family atmosphere here. I think that's down to the people. It's okay to touch things in here, but if Mr. Horace comes in and catches you, he might chase you away with one of the crucifixes he uses as paperweights. Here, have you noticed that they use coffin handles as door handles around here? Those footsteps again. Have a look around and I'll meet you upstairs when you're ready. I know a shortcut.